Dear students, in this video, you will learn about problems on expression for symmetrical components in terms of phase voltages. We will see the first problem. Prove that a balanced set of three phase voltages will have only positive sequence components of voltages only. So here we have to draw the phasor diagram based on the phase voltages VA, VB, VC are the phase voltages. So using that, we have to make one phasor diagram. The phase difference between any two phase voltages 120 degrees. A balanced three phase system of voltages is one wherein all the phase voltages are of equal magnitude symmetrically displaced by 120 degrees. So you can observe in this figure. So let VA, VB, VC are the balanced system of three phase voltages. VA, VB, VC are the balanced system of voltages. So here we can see that the phase difference is 120 degrees. So using this VA, VB, VC, we have to write positive sequence. So next positive sequences are VA not VA1, VA2. So positive sequences are represented with suffix 1. So here we have sequence voltages VA0 zero sequence component, VA1 positive sequence component, VA2 negative sequence components. So only at phase A. So VA is VA, VB is VA at an angle 240 degrees. That's what we can write VA square into VA according to operator A concept. VC is equal to A into VA. So 120 degrees leads. That's what VC is A into VA. So that is, you can take equation 1. So already we have seen the voltages. So VA not VA1, VA2 in terms of three phases. 1 by 3 into transformation matrix 1 1 1 1 A square 1 A square is that matrix 3 by 3 matrix into VA, VB, VC. So these are the phase voltages. So these are the sequence component voltages. Okay. So this is the transformation matrix. So what we have to find out here? So we have to find out VA0, VA1, VA2 from this matrix relation. So already we know that A cube is equal to 1, A power 4 is equal to A. Already we have seen in operator A concept. So A cube will be equal to 1, A power 4 is equal to 1. So using that relations, so we will simplify the matrix sequence matrix will simplify. So here so 1 by 3 VA plus A into VA plus A square into VA. So VA you will take common 1 plus A square will get from here. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 3 VA. So here also VA if you take 1 plus A plus A square. So 1 plus A square so is equal to 0. Already we have seen in A operator. So if you substitute 1 plus A square is equal to 0 in this 1 by 3 into 0 3 into VA 0. So thus VA, VA1, VA2 is equal to 0 VA 0. So finally, so thus it shows the only positive sequence voltage. So it is clear that the balanced set of three phase voltages will have only positive sequence voltage. So positive sequence voltage is VA1 equal to VA. The negative sequence component always absent in the balanced system, and also zero sequence component also will absent. Negative and zero sequence component both will be absent. So this holds good for balanced set of currents as well, right? So what we have done is, so we have taken a relation, so is in the three phase system. So we are simplifying, we multiplication method we have used, and after that, so a cube is equal to 1, a power 4 is equal to a, we know. So if you substitute, so we will get only positive sequence components will be there for, so balanced three phase voltages. So balanced set of three phase voltages will have only positive sequence voltage. Negative and zero sequence components will be absent. Okay. So next problem. So determine the sequence component of the voltages VA, VB, VC. Sequence component of voltages means what we have to find out. So VA1, VA2, VA0. So positive sequence components we have to find out. So the balanced three phase system will have only positive sequence components. In previous problem we have seen. Similarly here, so we have to find out the positive sequence components only. So what are the positive sequence components? VA1, VA, VA2 and VA0. Sorry, sequence components we have to find out, right? So positive sequence component, negative sequence component and zero sequence component. So positive sequence component VA1 is equal to 1 by 3 VA plus A plus VB plus A square into VC, right? So using that formula, so substitute the VA, VB, VC. So we'll get VA1 is 197.81 at an angle minus 3.3 degrees. Negative sequence component also, VA2 is a negative sequence component. So 1 by 3 VA plus A square VB plus A into VC. So we will find out that one. And zero sequence component 1 by 3 into VA plus VB plus VC. So we will find out zero sequence component. So just we have to substitute the formulas in the following following equations: VA1, VA2, VA0. So we will get the sequence components of three phase voltages, right? And so one more problem. So here we will find out the currents. In previous problem we have calculated the sequence component, and before problem, so we have calculated the phase voltages, right? So phase voltages, balanced three phase system phase voltages will have only positive sequence component. So we have proved that one in the first problem. So coming to this problem, third problem, a positive, negative and zero sequence component of line currents are 20 at an angle 10 degrees, 6 at an angle 60 degrees and 30 at an angle 30 degrees respectively. Determine the line currents. So what you have to find out? Line currents. So IA1, IA2, IA0. IA1 is 20 at an angle 10 degrees, IA2 is 6 at an angle to 60 degrees, IA0 is equal to 3 at an angle 30 degrees. So we have line currents IA, IB, IC. So what are the line currents? IA is equal to IA0 plus IA1 plus IA2. Similarly, IB is equal to IA0 plus IA2 into IA1 plus A into IA2. So using that, so IA, IB will find out. Similarly, IC, so phase line current in C, IA0 plus A into IA1 plus A square into IA2. So just we will substitute the values. So values are positive, negative sequence component values. If you substitute, so we will get IA, IB, IC values. IA is 27.25 at an angle 21.88 degrees. IB is 20.1 at an angle minus 120.7 degrees, and IC is equal to 13.7 at an angle 122 degrees. So these are the line currents, right? And we will move to the next problem. Here So here we have a three-phase system. Symmetrical component current is symmetrical component currents, positive sequence, negative sequence, zero sequence. So IA1 equal to 100 at an angle 30 degrees, IB2 is equal to 40 at an angle 90 degrees, IC0 is equal to 10 at an angle minus 30 degrees amperes. Find the line currents. So line currents we have to find out. Okay, right. So you can see the phasor diagram here. IA2, IB2, IC2 is there. So negative sequence components of line currents are as shown in this figure. So here IA2 is equal to IA2 into IB2, and IA0 is equal to IA1 is equal to IA2. We got it. So we got it, and IA is equal to IA0 plus IA1 plus IA2. So we have a formula, this one, to find IA, IB, IC. IA, IB, IC are line currents. So IA0 we have, and IA1 we have, IA2 we have. So in problem, what are the values they given? IA1, IB2, IC0. So IB2 is IA2 is equal to IA square into IB2, IA square into IB2. So using that relations, we will calculate this one. Okay. So IA0 is equal to IC0. So here one more relation is here. We know that that one. IA0 is equal to IC0. So that's what IA0 is equal to IC0. So we will substitute that one. So IA1 already is given. IA2 is equal to 2 in IA square into IB2. So we will substitute all the values. So IA value, IB value, IC value, we got it. Okay. So these are the line currents for the given problem. Okay, right. And so these are the problems are very important. They will ask you to find out the phase voltages, line currents, or symmetrical component values. Okay, right. So in next video we will see relationship between sequence components of phase and line voltages in star connected system, delta connected system, star delta connected system. So these are the questions are very important, very expected, most expected questions for your examinations. So we will see in next video. Okay, thank you everyone.